Hello YouTube, this is Blue Fox with another how-to tutorial. Um, I had recorded this one previously, but for some reason uh, the end of the tutorial was cut off. So even I noticed this after I uploaded it and everything on YouTube. So I had to delete it, and I'm gonna do it over again. But this time I'll be more prepared, and I'll be able to explain things better. All right, is a normal map tutorial. um, for Fallout 3, the texture files. The first thing you need to do is download, or if you don't have it already, but I'm sure you probably do, is GIMP. You can find GIMP at right here, gimp.org, um, in the downloads. There's ones for Windows, and if you have another operating system like a Mac or Ubuntu or whatever, it automatically detects what system you're on, so it provides a download for you automatically on this page, so you don't have to worry about that. Another thing you need is the GIMP DDS plugin. It's right, it's right here at this website. I'll put a link in the sidebar for you, so you don't have to just write this down. You just see the contents you got to download, and you click on Windows 32 binaries. Just open up and then follow the README, and it'll tell you where to put the files. And another thing you need is the GIMP Normalmap plugin. Same thing, go to download Windows 32 binaries, download it, follow the README, and it's pretty self-explanatory. So you're going to open up GIMP. This will probably take a couple of seconds. Now, when you have GIMP open, um, you're going to want to open up a texture, either slightly edited one or a default one for Fallout 3, or one that you've edited a lot for a custom item for your own model or whatever. Doesn't matter. It's a texture file. And if you're watching this video, I assume you know how to get your texture files, so I'm not going to be explaining that. You can find tutorials and other explanation from the users on the Nexus website, and I'll leave a link to the forums for the Fallout 3 stuff in my sidebar, so you know how to get, so you know what you're doing. So I'm gonna open up one. I've already made a normal map for this before, so that's right here. But I'm just gonna redo it for this tutorial. So just I can open it up here, but I'll show you. Like, I usually save it in my Fallout 3 data directory in the textures. And this is under armor. So Russian commando cap in there. And this is when you have the DDS plugin. It'll every time you open up a DDS file, it'll bring up this little dialog, and it says load mipmaps and show the dialog. I would say don't load mipmaps, because when you save the file again, uh, when you save the file as a normal map, I'll show you in a second when I'm done. I'll explain more into it. Just leave that one unchecked. Okay. And so here's the texture. I edited the Chinese commando cap to look like a Russian commando cap. I edited the color to more tannish and brown, and added this Russian USSR emblem. So to make a normal map, you gotta go to Filters, Map, Normal Map. This is where the plugin will reside. Click on it, and this window will pop up, and you see on the left there's a little blue blob, some indentations on it. What you want to do is go to alpha channel and click it on height. If you don't do that, it creates what you saw earlier, this big blue blob here. And when you apply it to your texture in the GEC, it will make the texture look extremely shiny, like more shiny and detailed than it should be. So you just need it very minimal, just like this. And don't mess with any other settings because I'm not sure what these do. Because I experimented with the alpha channel and it seems to have the best results so far. So once you click on alpha channel height, just click OK, and it'll load it to the process. And there you go. That's the map. I mean, that's the normal map. Sorry. And in your layers, make sure you don't have any like extra layers. Like if you would have like a couple of layers and there was some you wanted to add like a something on here or something for some reason, or if, you know, for whatever reason you have extra ones open, you want to merge the visible layers into one layer because it will save the topmost layer as the actual normal map, and it will cause it to be messed up and pixely and missing spots and stuff. So you're just gonna leave that one image alone. And you're gonna go to File, Save As. You're gonna save it in your the Fallout 3 Data Textures folder, and preferably like in another folder, maybe Armor or whatever folder you want. And save it as like what Russian Commando cap dash underscore n. That's how you distinguish between normal maps and regular textures. Is the dash n. It's just a little place marker to know what you're doing. Click on save, please, and this little thing will come up. For compression, you're going to go down to BC3 DTX. That compresses the file so it's not the file size isn't so big. And you're going to check this generate bitmaps. Earlier when I told you to uncheck to open up bitmaps, it's because when you save it again, you'll use this to generate them again. So leave the advanced settings alone because I don't know what that will do. So just BC3 DTX5 generate bitmaps. Click OK, and that's the normal map. Um, I've already made the tutorial on how to put it in the GEC. I'm probably not going to redo that one because I was going to redo it, but I found out that I didn't mess up actually. I just forgot to do one step in it. So it's not truly messed up at all. But yeah, there's your normal map. I hope this tutorial was helpful in some way. If you have any questions, um, I'll either put my email in my sidebar, or you can just give me just leave comments on the video, and I'll try to answer them to the best of my ability. This is Blue Fox with another how-to tutorial.